Hello there. If you want to listen to music in a Ford Mondeo, you could hire some live classical musicians, but that's very expensive. The cheaper alternative is to store music in a mobile phone, connect the phone to the car's stereo, then hear the music through the speakers in the doors, and in this video I'll show you how. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, to connect the phone to the car we need a special new invention. It's called a cable. Specifically, we need a cable that looks like this at both ends. It's called an auxiliary cable, an AUX cable, or a variation thereof. Next, we need to find the auxiliary port in the car, which is here in the glove box. Specifically, it's just up there. Here's a close-up of the port, and naturally, we need to put one end of the cable into it, and the other end into the equivalent port on the mobile phone. Now, my Mondeo has the Ford 6000 CD stereo, which we now need to turn on. Just like that, and the screen comes to life. Next, press the AUX button here towards the top left. And as we can see, it now says auxiliary input on the screen. Now we need to set the volume to a sensible level. Something around 20 will do just fine. Next, set the volume on the mobile phone to a sensible level, let's say about 50%, which is there. And all we have to do now is select the song we want to hear, and there we go. It's playing through the car stereo. As for controlling the volume, well, there are two ways. We can do so either via the mobile phone. There we are, we've turned it down, or directly from the rotary knob on the Ford stereo. You can now simply start driving and let the mobile phone run through its playlist, and that's far more convenient than a whole bunch of live musicians. Get out. Anyway, that's it, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time when hopefully we'll be listening to Johnny Cash. Bye.